Hi guys, we have here the Andis Model HD5 Ionic Hang-Up Dryer, 1600 watts, hair dryer, model number 30970. So this is a popular Andis hang-up, model. Very popular. Find these in hotels. It's not a full-blown hair dryer, but it does a great job for those who want to, hang their dryers in their bathrooms or restrooms or so forth. So let's go ahead and unbox this product. Just give you guys a 360 look at the packaging from Andis. Inexpensive hair dryer. If you're looking to purchase this hair dryer, you can always visit the link in the description below. So let's go ahead and open that up. So there you have it. So it comes with the screws to screw into the wall, back of the dryer. So we took that out of the box. That should all come in one packaging, all nicely wrapped with the instructions on how to use it. So now let's go ahead and remove the dryer unit. So there you have it, guys. You have the Andis hang-up wall-mounted hair dryers. It comes in two different colors. This is a review and unboxing of the white colored one, as you can see here, and there is a black colored one as well, whichever your preference. So here is the dryer. It comes up in a plastic like this, as you can see. Just remove that plastic off of it, and there you have it, Andis hang-up Ionic dryer. I'll go ahead and plug it in just to get you guys hear how noisy the dryer is in particular, for those who want to see the strength of the dryer. So let's go ahead and flip that around. So it kind of has two settings on here. Small dryer, and that is the wall mount piece. So there's a bit of a glue on the back that you can stick to the wall, as well additionally as holes to drill it to the wall to make sure it doesn't fall down. So let's go ahead and open this, plug this in. There you have it, guys. Plug that in, and let's turn on the first setting. You see, pretty powerful. And then the second setting. So there you have it, guys. A quick unboxing of the Andis Hang-Up Ionic 1600. So it's a great tool for those, looking to, have a little kind of a hang-up dryer in the bathroom or somewhere. It's a pretty inexpensive tool. If you're looking to purchase this, you can always visit the link in the description below. But there's a quick unboxing and quick review of the product. Also comes with the Andis manual, as you can see. Also with the warranty information. It comes with a 1-year warranty from Andis. So there you have it, guys. The Andis hang-up dryer model HD5. This is the white color, and model number 30970. If you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. But thanks for watching, guys. Please visit the link in the description. Have a great day.